Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit and today I've secured this 2022 brand new Mercedes GLE with a Starline Pro system. So a thief gets your key, they try and steal the vehicle, they're going to hop in and start it. As you can see, the vehicle's not starting, hasn't gone to ready, and we haven't got any revs, as you can see on the right hand side. So for the customer to drive this, they can do a push sequence of their choosing, or they can just simply have their phone paired up. So we'll turn the Bluetooth on now the phone's paired. This can be locked and in your pocket. Now they just get in the car and start it. As you can see, we've got our disarm tone, it's gone to ready, and the customer's able to drive it. If their phone's not here, or they don't want to do this, they just want to use a push sequence, what they got to do, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, go for a code of their choosing. Obviously we've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, now foot on the brake and we can start the vehicle. It's gone to ready. If they want to change this code, it can be anything between 3 and 21 presses. The way they do that is ignition on, disarm the system. This is disarmed through the phone. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. Now we'll just change it. Wait for a confirmation. And repeat it again. We'll get the same confirmation. There we go, now we'll turn the car off. So the next time the customer gets in this vehicle, if their phone's not present or their Bluetooth's off, they'll foot off the brake, tap the ignition on with a double press on this, new code, hear a melody, foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle. It also has a service mode for when it goes back to Mercedes. You don't want the system to be on, you don't want them to know there's an Immobiliser on there. You just want it to act like a normal car. So hop into the Starline key app, press and hold, turn this green to yellow. When you do, let go, 2 bleeps. There we go, now the system's off. If you were to just give Mercedes the keys, they'd be none the wiser there's an Immobiliser fitted. It just behaved like a normal car. When you get it back, press and hold again, back to green, and that'll make sure it's protected for you. Let go, we get our 2 bleeps with valet mode, confirming it's come out. And now next time we get in the vehicle with our Bluetooth connected, we'll turn the ignition on and we'll hear our melody. There we go, system's disarmed, so we know it's protected. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new Mercedes GLE. As you can see, it's only got 300 miles on it. And we've protected it. Thanks for watching.